Whiskey 8, Tango Alpha Tango.
Roger, Whiskey 8, Tango Alpha Tango. What's the name?
The name is Tim, and I've never heard anything or any response from my radio. I'm kind of a new ham. I've only been at it for a couple of years now, but I just happened to cross, and I've been sitting here listening to you for the last probably 15, 20. I said, this would be neat to know whether or not how this radio actually sounds and what I sound like.
Roger, what radio is that?
I have a 7300. I run a vertical Chris Craft old R7 antenna. Sometimes I use an MSJ. I think it's a 5970 antenna. But right now I'm on the vertical.
Roger that. Well, you are familiar with your 7300?
Just a little bit, enough to get around and set things.
All right, go to your EQ, your tone control, and let's see what you got there for settings.
Maybe I don't know enough about it that I can get there.
There's a button. Well, let's see. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me just give you some notes to work on when you find everything.
That would be great. Thank you.
All right. I want to bring up the top end EQ a couple of clicks. ICOM calls it treble control. You want to adjust your treble EQ up 2 clicks from wherever it is. Up 2 clicks from wherever it is. Roger?
Roger that.
All right, now on your compression, you want to set that at a 3. You want to be a 3 on your processor or the compressor, Roger?
Roger that, it is now.
All right, and then with mic gain in hand, adjust your ALC until it's running mid-scale to 2/3, Roger?
Roger.
That ICOM, you have to hit transmit, and then you have to reestablish your ALC, Roger.
Roger that. I'm getting...
So anyway, if you can get that ALC adjustment, you'll be pretty close to done for the moment outside of the top-end EQ, Roger.
Roger. I'm at a little over 50% on the ALC.
Roger. Ideal is between mid-scale and 2/3. The sweet spot is halfway between mid-scale and 2/3. Roger.
Roger. I will get it there.
Roger, Roger. And gosh, that should put you at about 3 dB dynamic range. Average percent of peak modulation between 80 and 85%, and you crank in those couple of clicks on the top end, and your EQ curve will be pretty near perfect.
Oh, that'd be great. At least I know they can.
Roger, Roger. So we'll say 3s for now. If you get a chance, check back in next Friday, say hello, and in between now and then, if you would like to go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, you'll be looking for an entity air check entitled My Group Air Check 122719. My Group Air Check 122719. Roger?
I will do that. Thank you very much, Jim. This is W8TAT saying thank you and 7-3.
Roger, sir. 3's that way. Have a great afternoon and a great weekend. This is KC9VKV and the Qso-Vlog network. If you have a radio you want to check out, give us a shout.